one and all present here. Today, we the students of UITTR department are going to teach you some basics on the topic nutrition in plants. Talking about the nutrients, what are nutrients? The components of food like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals are called the nutrients. Nutrient helps us in many things like to grow and build our body, to repair the damaged parts of our body and to provide energy to carry out our life processes.
Nutrients. Nutrients. So the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms take their own food, prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and organisms are known as phototrophs. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms transport other plants or other organisms for their food. For example, autotrophic nutrition, the example is plants, and in heterotrophic mode of nutrition, for example, human beings and other organisms. What do you mean by photosynthesis?
What do you mean by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Photosynthesis एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जो फूड कहाँ से तैयार हो जाता है? सनलाइट से हो जाता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड क्लोरोफिल. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves. Photosynthesis ज़्यादातर leaves से पाया जाता है. Sunlight is obtained by sun. जो sun की light होती है वो हमें sun से मिलती है. Water is absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. जो roots होती है वो पानी को absorb कर लेती हैं and transported to the leaves. वो leaves तक transport करती हैं. Carbon dioxide taken from the air through small pores in the leaves called stomata. Carbon dioxide जो होता है air में पाया जाता है और क्या होता है small pores होती हैं in leaves के बीच. Leaves के बीच छोटी-छोटी pores होती हैं और उसको हम stomata कहते हैं.
Different type of heterotrophic nutrition in plant. The first one is parasitic plant. Our plant which do not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food, they get their food from other plant called host. Here chlorophyll is a green pigment by which plant use during photosynthetic to prepare their own food. In parasitic mode of nutrition, the organism do not have the chlorophyll, so they are dependent on other plant and they are dependent on other plant for their food. Example is cascada. Now second mode of heterotrophic nutrition in plant is insectivorous. As the name itself suggests, insectivorous means by the use of insect. Here plant feed on insect. Example, pitcher plant. The leaf of the pitcher plant is modified into a pitcher. The end of the pitcher has a lid which can open and close. When an insect enters the pitcher, the lid closes and the insect is digested. The digested juice is inside the pitcher plant. Here in pitcher plant, as we know, do not get their optimum nutrition from the sun. They are not grown in a very fertile area, so they are dependent on the insect. They trap the insect by the help of the pitcher and then once the insect enter the pitcher, they close it and they devour it, and hence they get their optimum nutrition from it.
So the next category we have here is apertrophs. Are plants which do not have any chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their food from dead and decaying organic matter. Example, mushrooms, bread molds, etc. They produce digestive juice in the dead and decaying organic matter and convert it into a solution and then absorb the nutrients from the solution. The last category we have here is the symbiotic relationship. Some plants live together and share shelter and nutrients. For example, lichens. In lichens, an alga and a fungus live together. The fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to the alga. The alga provides food to the fungus which it prepares by photosynthesis. This is the end of our topic, nutrition in plants, presented by the UITTR department. Thank you.